mid-19th century folding pocket map of the state of New Hampshire. It is by Guernsey. You see here we have the original green cloth folder that it was issued within. This panel is still affixed to the rear paste down of the panel as issued. It appears to be 1874 based on the cartobibliography by David Cobb. The map is lithographed with original hand color. We see up here the title is got the imprint of Guernsey, and interestingly, at the bottom it is engraved by H. Lloyd and Company of New York, and they have added "Agents Wanted" right below the lower neat line, which would indicate that this map would have almost certainly been sold door to door or by traveling salesmen who sold carried with them samples of books that publishers would issue, and they would sell by subscription. The map, like so many maps of this era, due to the large size of it, has experienced over the years numerous tears and so on the reverse. It has been wonderfully and very well repaired here with small pieces of rice paper or tissue paper using a Japanese acid-free, reversible water-based paste. There is a long tear that comes from here, I think down, I believe it's on this fold line, and then it has come across like so, down to here. These fold line intersections have been very neatly repaired, and so what results is this entirely attractive example. There is a split along this fold line right here, which, due to the nature of how that panel has been affixed to the folder, is essentially all but impossible to reattach here, so it has to be left loose like so. But as you can see, the map displays very well. It is indeed quite scarce, as are most pocket maps of states like this. We have here David Cobb's reference book. We find the citation for it right here, 1874. It appears to be this example. David Cobb does list 3 or 4 different Guernsey maps with very similar titles and very similar dimensions, and he doesn't distinguish as to if any of them are actually pocket maps or not. But the first one is around 1870, and the last one is again in the late 70s. So it's certainly 1870s, and we think this is 1874. And it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.